Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Turn the Fiesta to accessory or run so the radio and sync are powered. Do not start the engine. Once done, open Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. On the car screen, go to Phone, then Add Device. This starts the pairing process. You do this now because Sync only searches while the Add Device flow is active. Skipping straight to phone settings wastes time. Keep your phone within 1 meter of the unit for a reliable first handshake. Once the Fiesta shows on your phone, tap its name. You must accept pairing on both devices. You'll see a PIN on the car screen and the phone. Confirm they match, then press Accept or enter the code if required. After pairing, Sync will ask to allow contacts and messages. Make sure you grant those permissions so you can place calls and see caller ID. If you skip permissions now, you'll lose hands-free functionality and must reauthorize from phone settings later. To finish, place a test call and play audio to confirm both call and media profiles work. This verifies contacts, microphone, and A2DP streaming. If audio is missing or calls fail, remove old paired devices from Sync and your phone, then repair. This resolves most profile conflicts. If problems persist, restart your phone and power cycle the Fiesta system. As a final troubleshooting tip, check for sync updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.